Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private using your phone. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to go to your profile page. From here, tap on the three dots menu beside Edit Profile, which will open up the main menu. After that, look for Lock Profile and tap on it. Then tap on Lock Your Profile. And your profile will now be locked, which means only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. And if you ever want to unlock your profile, simply tap on the three dots menu once again. After that, simply tap on Unlock Profile. Then select Unlock once again and finally tap on Unlock Your Profile. Then your profile will now be unlocked. And that's all. Now you know how to make your Facebook profile private. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.